Hello and welcome to the OWC instructional series of videos. In this installment, we're going to upgrade the internal hard drive in a Sony PlayStation 4. We've already shut down and unplugged the PlayStation and are working on a soft, static-free work surface. We are now ready to begin. The first step is to remove the top left cover by pushing down on the top and sliding it off. Next, remove the wide-topped Phillips screw at the front corner. You should now be able to slide the hard drive carrier out of the PlayStation. Remove the 4 Phillips screws holding the drive in the carrier. Then slide the drive free. We can install any 2.5-inch SATA drive we want, whether it's solid state or platter-based. In this case, we're going to install a hybrid drive for a balance of speed and storage. Slide the drive face up into the carrier with the connector facing outward, and secure it into place with the 4 screws you removed earlier. Slide the carrier back into the PlayStation and secure it into place using the wide-capped Phillips screw. Finally, set the cover back onto the PlayStation and slide it until it clicks into place. Now that we have the new drive installed, we'll need to install the PS4 software onto it. Connect your thumb drive to your computer and create a folder on the first level named PS4. Inside that folder, we'll need to create another one named Update. Once you've done that, open a web browser window and go to this address. Read through the instructions and download the PS4 update.pup file for a new installation. It's a large file, so it may take a while to download depending on your connection speed. Once the file is downloaded, drag it to the update folder you created on your flash drive. Once the file is finished copying over, you can unmount your flash drive from your computer. Reconnect your PlayStation to your television and make sure the power is plugged in. Attach your controller to one of the front ports and the thumb drive to the other. Hold down the power button for approximately 7 seconds until you hear a beep in order to put it into safe mode. You can then let go of the power button. You'll see the boot logo as the system starts up, then a screen prompting you to connect the controller and press the PS button. Do so and continue. In most cases, you'll be presented with a menu of options. Select the option to initialize the PS4 and reinstall the system software. If this menu doesn't appear, this option's already been chosen for you and you'll skip ahead to the next step. Since the updater is on the thumb drive you've already attached, you can continue. And you'll eventually be prompted with a warning about initializing the drive and potentially deleting data. Since this is a brand new drive, you don't have to worry about deleting anything, so select Yes and continue. Your PlayStation will begin the initialization process. The initialization will continue, and your PlayStation will restart. Once it completes, your PlayStation is ready to set up and use.